going to be PPC keyword tool. Again, it's going to be one of the simple one. There is not much data points here. I'm going into this project and opening up that data, and it automatically gives you the data which you might need to export into Google AdWords campaign data. It provides negative keywords list. You can do that. You can also do the cross group stuff. I'm not much experienced in it because I'm not experienced when it comes to PPC, but for anyone who's experienced in PPC might be able to understand it much better. And you can have the different grouping options as well, and as well as you can export it and change the match to a broad, phrase, exact, and modified broad. So those are the PPC you can get. The next one is going to be the social media tracker, where I'm going to open up that social media tracker and I'm going to see all the data related to my particular pages. So it shows number of followers. Whenever I make a post, it shows all the thing. I can also add my competitors to compare with my competitor on how the engagement is like. You can see I can add a competitor from here. So depending on the need, I can go and start adding competitor, and each of the page, whenever I edit, it will show all the different data, how I am growing it, followers trend, all the data. Depending on what kind of page you are adding, you will get more data relevant to that. Here also it will be self-explanatory. You will get much more in-depth insights on each of these social media pages, so you can compare and how you can grow from that as well. So that is what social media tracker does. And if I go into the next model, which is going to be let me wait to open it, social media poster, I have already explained in thorough qualities of it. Content Explorer, I'm just going to open up and show you what kind of data you can expect from it. And you can see it brings me all the different content and number of pages. As I mentioned, if you connect it, you will get more content idea. You can go into the post tracking. You can track a specific keyword idea. And also, for example, whenever you click on something, you will get much more better understanding on what kind of stuff is happening, like what kind of backlinks it has. When you connect Google data, it will show you that, and you can move forward through that year itself. You can see it's not analyzed. Do I want to mark it as progress? It just gives you a better understanding of it. You can also do better filtering also from here, where with the manage column you can do different identification of that. It's still not analyzed, so it will be taking some time. So depending on that, you can keep on doing a much better thing. For example, I can click on poor content and it will automatically show all the poor content within my website, so I can mark down and I can start fixing on that content as well. So that is what content analysis does. And let me go into the